Hi friends, this is Mohammed and welcome back again to the great programming in C language tutorials. In this session, we shall discuss about the control structures. This is the most important topic, so listen carefully. Basically, in a program, it is not necessary to be executed in sequential order. That means it is not necessary to execute in the line by line order form. Sometimes it will need to execute based on the conditions. Such type of conditions are called as control structures or control statements. There are different kinds of control structures in a C program. Let us we shall discuss one by one. First one is if statement. In the if statement, it is used to execute one or more lines or one or more statements when the condition becomes true. Suppose if you give the condition under the if block statement, it will execute when it becomes true. Otherwise, it will skip the if block statement and it will come outside the statement. Now let us we shall discuss the example. I'm writing the program. First I am declaring the variable a comma b comma c. Print here enter the numbers. So I am getting the value from the user. So I want to scanf statement must be used to get the value from the user. So I want to get the two values. One is for variable A and another is for variable B. Okay, right. Now I am going to write the if condition. If A is greater than B, then print here welcome to the C program. Close the brace. Here and shift. Now close the brace. In this simple program, first it will execute the printf statement. That is, it will display the enter the numbers. Now I want to get the two value from the user. So I am getting the two value. One is for variable A, another is for variable B. Next I am going to check the two value. If A is greater than B, if the user give the value according A will be greater than B, then it will execute the printf statement. That is, it will display the printf statement. Welcome to the program. If it becomes false, then it will skip the if block statement and come directly to the next statement. That is, it will directly print the statement. That is, thank you. So this is called printf statement. This is the example. Next, if else statement. In an if else statement, there is a similar between if statement and if else statement. But the difference is, in the if statement, if the condition becomes true, it will execute the if block statement. Otherwise, it will skip the if block statement and come to the other statements. In the if else statement, if the condition becomes true in the if block, it will execute the if block statement and come to the other statement. If the condition becomes false, it skips the if block statement and come to the else part statement. Lecture we will discuss the example of the if else statement. Main. Say I am writing the same program. Int A, comma B, comma C. Enter the numbers. Scan here. Percentage D. So I want to get the value. One is for variable A, another is for variable B. I am writing the condition. If A is greater than B, if the condition becomes true, it will execute the if block statement. That is, in here, welcome to the C program. Else, in there, and shoot forward. This is example for if else statement, and this is the example for if statement. Right. In the if else statement, firstly it will execute the printf statement. That is, it will display the enter the numbers. So I am getting the true value from the user. That is, one is for variable A and another is for variable B. Then I am going to check the two values. If A greater than B, if the condition becomes true, it will execute printf statement, that is welcome to the C program, and it skips the else part statement. If the condition becomes false, then it will skip the if block statement and it comes to the else part statement. That is, it will directly print thank you for watching tutorials. Right. This is the example. Now let us we shall discuss about nested if statement. In the nested if statement, in the if part, it will contain another if statement. In the if part, it will contain another statement. So this is called nested if statement. You can see in the syntax. That means, in the if condition, if the condition becomes true, it will go to the another if statement. If the condition becomes false, it will execute the else part statement. If the condition becomes true, it will check the another if condition. If the condition becomes true in under the if condition, it will execute the statement of another if part. Otherwise, it will execute the another else part statement. But now we shall discuss the program. This is the nested if statement. Main integer A, comma B, comma C. Same printf enter the numbers. Percentage B. I want to get two values. One is for variable A and another is for variable B. Now I am going to check the condition. I want to get the three values. So one is for variable A, another is for variable B, and another is for variable C. If A is greater than B, then under this I am going to write another if condition. If B is greater than C, open bracket, printf condition becomes true. Close bracket, next, else, this again condition becomes false. If you give the multiple statement under this statement, so you want to give the bracket. Else under the bracket condition becomes false. Right, this is a sample program. First I am getting the three values from the users. One is for variable A, another is for variable B, and another is for variable C. Now I am checking the two values. If A is greater than B, if the condition becomes true, it will execute this if-else block statement. In the if-else block statement, another time it will check the condition under the if statement. If B is greater than C, if the condition becomes true, it will execute the statement. That is, it will display the statement while conditions becomes true. Otherwise, if the condition becomes false, if the second condition becomes false, it will execute the else part statement. That is, it will display the second statement. The second condition becomes false. If the condition becomes false, if the first condition becomes false, it will skip the if block statement and it will come directly to the else part statement. That is, it will directly display the printf statement. That is, the condition becomes false. So this is the example of nested if statement. Now we shall discuss about the switch statements. These switch statements is useful when the control transform in one of the many possible points. So you can see the syntax about the switch statements. This is the switch statements expression. There is a cases, case 1, case 2, case 3, about up to the case n. If the cases becomes false, it will directly execute the default statement. In the switch statement, it is necessary to write the break statement. We shall discuss the program. We shall discuss the program about switch statement. About the switch statement. Main, open braces, main to A, comma B, comma C, comma OP. I want to get the three value from the user, so from here enter the number. I want to get the two values from the user. This one is for variable A and another is for variable B. Right. Now I am going to write the choice. First one is add next one is subtract. And here enter your choice. So I want to get the choice from the user. It is an integer value. Right. I am going to write the switch statement. That is, in the switch statement, I am getting the choice value. Case 1, from this C equal to A plus B. Printf addition percentage v. That is, I want to display the result which is stored in the C variable. Next is break. Right. Or case 2. In the case 2, I want to subtract the both values a minus b. So I want to display the subtraction value. Which is stored in the C variable. Now I want to break this statement. Right. This is the switch statement. Example of switch statement. I am getting the two value from the user, that is A and B. Next, I want to get the choice from the user. So I am getting the choice from the user. If the user type the value 1, so it will execute here. In switch statement, it will execute 1, that is case 1. It will execute the case 1 statement. C equal to A plus B. It will add the two values and it will store in the C variable, and it will display the C variable, that is addition percentage V, and it will break the statement. That means it will break from the switch statement and it will come outside the statement. Suppose if the user type the value B, type the value 2, that means it will execute the case 2 statement. That is, it will subtract the two value and store in the C variable, and it will display the subtraction that is stored in the C variable, and it will break the case. It will break the statement and it will come outside the switch statement. This is the switch example. This is the switch example which I have given before. Now let us discuss about the go-to statements. In the go-to statements, this is the simply jumping statement. Suppose I want to jump from one statement to another statement, I can give go-to statement. You can see in the syntax, go to label 1 statements, label 1 statement. If it jumps the label 1 where the label 1 contains. Let us shall discuss the example about the go-to statement. Go-to statements. Name, open bracket, int a comma b, enter the value. I want to get, so I am using this scanf statement, percentage d. I want to get the value, one is for A and another is for B. Next, go to jump. Printf, welcome to the program. Jump, this is the jump label. In that I am going to print the value. So print here the values which you have given. Given is percentage D and percentage D. One is A, another is one is B. Now I am simply printing some other statement, that is thank you. Next, another time I want to print the two values. So simply I will use the go to statement, that is go to jump. Right. This is the sample program for the go to statements. Firstly, I am getting the two values from the user, that is one is for one A variable and another is for B variable. Now I am going to jump. That is, I am using the go to statement. It will jump and it will skip these statements and it will come to the printf statement. This printf statement, the values which we have given is one is for A and another is one is for B. Next, it will execute this printf statement, that is thank you, and it will execute the go to statement. Next, it will jump another time. It will print the two values again, and it will print the thank you statement. This is the example for go to statement. Thank you for watching my tutorials. If you hope you like, you can subscribe my tutorials. Thank you.